Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Brett's Brain. Today I'm going to tell you something that founders do to create roadblocks for themselves while they're raising a round of venture capital. It's something that all of you entrepreneurs out there should be avoiding, and it has to do with their pitch deck. Founders in general want to talk about what they're building. They want to talk about their business. They want to talk about so many things, and that comes out in their pitch deck. They shove it full of so much stuff. And you need to be careful about that because oftentimes some of that stuff is only going to create roadblocks for you. And so there's a check that every entrepreneur should make. When you put something in a pitch deck, ask yourself the question, is this fundamentally going to help me get a yes? Or is this fundamentally going to help me get a meeting with this investor? There's a lot of extra information out there that you probably don't need to include because all it can do for you is lead to a no. For example, naming your round. Oftentimes in a deck, you'll see a round, but a round is a gray. That means different things to different investors and to different founders. And so by putting the name of your round in a deck, an investor that might say they're only a seed stage investor might immediately pass. But maybe you call it an A round, but you're only raising $4 million. In some circles, a $4 million round is actually a seed stage round. And how does calling it an A round help you? That's the important question here. How does calling it an A round actually help you get that meeting? It doesn't. The other information about your business is what's going to get you that meeting. So why include it? All it can do is hurt you. It can't help you. That's just one example of many. So every time you're putting ancillary information in your deck, ask yourself that question. How is this going to help me get a meeting? Or is it only potentially going to create a roadblock for us?